Hello?
Hello? I'm a doctor. What's your name?
You're calling a payphone in Columbia, Missouri.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Can I what?
Can you spell the name?
Columbia.
What the first name? What the last name? How you spell?
I'm sorry, I can't do that. You're calling a public phone.
I'm a doctor. Why you say motherfucker? Why you say?
No, I'm saying I can't spell my name for you because you're calling a public payphone.
Why?
No, you're calling a public phone. It's on the street.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
No, the name of mine. Can I spell my name?
Yes?
No, I cannot.
Why?
Because this is a public phone. I don't need anything from you.
The police come to fuck me in the jail.
I'm sorry.
Fuck the police. I am in the jail.
I'm sorry. What jail?
I am in the jail. Fuck
What
the
jail?
police.
What jail?
The police fuck you in the jail.
I'm sorry. I
Fuck
have to
the motherfucker.
I'm sorry. I have to go.
Why? Hello? What's your name?
Who?
What's your name?
What is your name, sir?
I'm a doctor. What's your name?
What is my name? I have no idea. I'm so intoxicated.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Who?
Can you spell the name?
I say peace in the name of all.
How you spell? What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Who are you?
I'm a doctor. Can you
What?
spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Are they police?
This the police. I call the police. I call the police. The police. I call the police.
Okay.
The police get you in the jail. The police come to see you.
Okay.
No, I'm fine. This is Officer Martin from the Sheriff's Department. How can I help you this evening? This is the Sheriff's one. This is Deputy Martin from the Sheriff's Department.